How to learn basic coding through online courses and coding bootcamps. Welcome to today's tutorial on how to learn basic coding through online courses and coding bootcamps. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to enhance your skills, these are various options available to get started in the world of coding. First of all, begin by researching online platforms that offer courses in basic coding. Websites like Coursera, edX, Udemy, and Codecademy provide a wide range of courses suitable for beginners. Select a course that matches your learning goals and schedule. Look for courses that cover fundamental programming languages like Python, JavaScript, or HTML and CSS. Sign up to the course of your choice and follow the enrollment process outlined on the platform. Many courses offer free trials or previews to help you decide. Once enrolled, follow the structured curriculum provided by the course. Start with the basics, such as syntax, variables, and functions. Coding is best learned through practice. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to practice coding exercises and complete assignments. Take advantage of forums and other support resources, and consider coding bootcamps. You can apply for them and prepare your application materials, which may include coding assessments and interviews. That concludes our tutorial for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.